Welcome to English Listening Channel.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to look at a conversation at a clothing store. In this video, you will follow a simple and practical story between two clothing store clerks and their customers. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly. So please relax and enjoy the story. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What % off are all summer items today? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, let's start the video. Are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Good morning, Ivy. You're here early today. That's a great start.
Good morning, Owen. I wanted to come in early. Today is the first day of the summer sale, right?
Yes, that's right. All summer items are 20% off. Every shirt, every pair of shorts, every summer dress.
20% off all summer items. Got it. Should I put a sign at the front door?
Yes, please. The sign is already in the back room. Also, summer sales always start in early July in our country. After this, we move on to fall items soon.
Really? So this sale will end in a few weeks?
Yes, end-of-season sales come around twice a year for us. Summer in July, winter in January. The stores want to clear the old season before the new one arrives.
That makes sense. I learned something new today.
Good. Now, one more important thing. A special customer is coming today. His name is Mr. Olson.
Mr. Olson. Okay, who is he?
He has come here every year for the past 5 years. He always buys a birthday gift for his granddaughter in early July.
5 years in a row? Wow.
Yes, his granddaughter is now about 7 years old. He likes free gift wrapping, and he always asks for a gift receipt.
A gift receipt, so she can exchange it later if the size is wrong.
Exactly. You're learning fast. If he comes in while I'm busy, please take care of him yourself.
By myself? Are you sure? What if I make a mistake?
You've been here 4 months. You're ready. Just remember the wrapping in the gift receipt. You can do this.
Okay, I will try my best. Good morning, sir. Can I help you find something?
Yes, please. I just tried on these jeans, but they feel a bit tight. Do you have this in a 34 waist?
Let me check for you. One moment, please. We have the same jeans in a 34 waist, in dark blue and light blue. Which color would you like?
I'll stick with the dark blue. It matches more of my shirts.
Good choice. Here you go. Would you like to try them on first, just to be sure?
Yes, that's a good idea. The last pair was too tight at the waist.
Of course. The fitting room is right over there. Take your time.
Thank you. By the way, I travel a lot for work. Sometimes I buy jeans in Europe. Are the sizes the same?
Good question. In Europe, this size 34 is about a 48. The numbers are different because Europe uses centimeters and we use inches.
Oh, really? Good to know. I always get confused when I shop overseas.
It can be a little hard. In Japan, sizes are different too. They use small, medium, and large, or sometimes their own numbers.
Thanks for telling me. That will help me a lot on my next trip.
I'm happy to help. Also, all summer items are 20% off today. These jeans are part of our summer line.
20% off? That's a nice surprise. I'll definitely buy them now.
Wonderful. I'll get the new pair ready for you. Please go ahead and try them on.
Thank you. You're very kind.
You're welcome, sir. I'll be right here if you need any other size.
Excuse me, can I ask your opinion?
Of course. What can I help with?
I'm trying on the same blouse in 2 colors, light blue and beige. I have a friend's wedding next month and I can't decide.
Both colors look great on you. May I see them one more time?
Sure. Here is the light blue, and this one is the beige.
Both are nice, but the warm beige matches your skin color a little better. The light blue is also lovely, but the beige feels softer and more beautiful on you.
My skin color? I never thought about that before.
Yes, we use warm colors and cool colors in fashion. Warm colors are like red, yellow, and beige. Cool colors are like blue and green. People often look better in one group than the other.
That's interesting. So I'm probably a warm color person?
Looking at you now, yes, I think so. Warm colors make your skin look bright and natural.
I had no idea. I usually pick clothes by what I like, not by color matching.
That's totally fine too. But for a wedding, you want a color that looks good on your face in the photos.
That makes a lot of sense. Okay, I'll take the beige one.
Great choice. And by the way, all summer items are 20% off today, including this blouse.
Oh, lucky me. I'll grab one more in another style too.
Please take your time. I'll wait by the counter when you're ready.
Thank you. You've been very helpful.
My pleasure. Enjoy the wedding.
Excuse me, do you speak English? I'm visiting from Japan.
Yes, of course. Welcome. How can I help you today?
I want to buy a birthday gift for my wife. I was thinking of a scarf, but I don't know her exact size.
A scarf is a great idea. Most scarves are one size, so size is not a problem. Let me show you some options.
Thank you. That's a relief. I was worried about picking the wrong size.
We have many colors. This soft pink one is very popular, and this one with small flowers is selling well too. All scarves are 20% off today.
20% off. Wonderful. My wife loves soft colors. I'll take the pink one.
Great choice. Would you like gift wrapping?
Yes, please. Is gift wrapping free here?
Yes, it's free in our store. We have 3 paper colors: red, gold, and silver.
Gold, please. Oh, in Japan, gift wrapping is always free. It's a standard service.
That's nice. Here, it depends on the store. Some places charge $2 or $3. Ours happens to be free, but not every shop in this country offers that.
Good to know. I'll remember that.
I'll wrap it now. It will take just a few minutes. Would you like a ribbon, too?
Yes, please. A small one in white if you have it.
Of course. Here, take a seat for a moment. I'll bring it to you.
Thank you. You're very kind. Your English is easy to understand.
Thank you, sir. That means a lot. I'll be right back with your gift.
Hi, I bought a dress here last week, but I'd like to return it.
Of course. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, here it is. I tried it on at home and it was too big. The size just didn't work for me.
I see. Is the tag still on the dress?
Yes, I didn't cut it. I haven't worn it outside either.
Perfect. You can return it or exchange it. You have 30 days to return any item with the original receipt. We're well within that time.
Oh, good. I love your return policy. Some stores make it really hard to return things.
Thank you. We try to make it simple for our customers. Would you like your money back, or would you like to exchange it for a smaller size?
I really liked the dress, so I'd like to exchange it. Do you have it in a smaller size, same color?
Let me check. Yes, we have it in a smaller size, same color, right over there.
That's perfect. I'll take it.
Great. Let me get it for you. One moment, please. Here you go. The size and color match your old one.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. I was worried I wasted my money.
Not at all. We want you to be happy with what you buy. By the way, this dress is part of our summer sale, 20% off.
Oh, really? Did I pay the full price last week?
You did, but since the sale started today, I can return the difference for you. Let me give you the 20% back now.
That's so kind. Thank you. I'll definitely come back here again.
Good morning, Mr. Olson. Looking for something for your granddaughter again?
Oh, hello. You know me already? I don't think we've met before.
I'm Ivy. I'm new here. Owen told me about your annual visit. He said you come every year in early July for your granddaughter's birthday.
Well, that's very kind of him. Yes, that's right. She turned 7 this year. Time goes by so fast.
7 is such a fun age. We have some lovely summer items for girls right over here. Dresses, t-shirts, and small jackets.
Let me see. She loves bright colors. Last year I bought her a yellow shirt, and she wore it all summer.
This pink dress is very popular this year, and this light green one is soft and easy to wear. Both come in size 7.
The light green one is beautiful. My wife says green matches her hair.
Then let's go with the green one. Also, today is the first day of our summer sale. All summer items are 20% off, including this dress.
Oh, that's a wonderful surprise. 20% off. Thank you.
My pleasure. Would you like me to wrap it as a gift? It's free in our store.
Yes, please. Pink wrapping paper if you have it.
Of course. And I'll include a gift receipt so she can exchange it if needed. The receipt won't show the price.
That's perfect. I never know her size for sure. A gift receipt always helps.
I'll have everything ready in a few minutes. Please wait right here.
Thank you, Ivy. You're going to do well here.
What a busy first day of the sale. How do you feel, Ivy?
Tired, but really happy. I can't believe how fast the day went.
You handled Mr. Olson perfectly today. He told me at the door that you were very kind. He'll come back next year and ask for you.
Really? Thank you for trusting me. This morning I was so worried. I asked you, what if I'm alone? Remember?
I remember. And look at you now. You used the gift receipt, you offered the free wrapping, and you told him about the 20% off. You did everything right.
It felt good. Strange, but good. Like I really belonged here.
You do belong here. After 4 months, you're not a junior anymore. You're a team member.
That sounds nice. In some places, the senior and junior roles are very strict, right?
In this store, we don't really use those words. Everyone is a team member, no matter how long they've worked here.
That feels good. It makes me want to do my best every day.
That's the right spirit. Also, you made some great choices today. The European size info for Mr. Hill was a nice touch.
Thank you. I read about that last week in our training book.
It shows. Customers notice small things like that. Now, let's finish folding these shirts and head home.
Sounds good. I'll start with this pile. Tomorrow is day 2 of the sale, right?
Yes, it will be busy again, maybe even more crowded than today. Get some good sleep tonight.
I will. And Owen, thank you for everything today. I really learned a lot.
My pleasure. That's what a team is for. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. I'm ready for it.
How was it? I hope this video helped you improve your English. Now, let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What percent off are all summer items today? The answer was mentioned in the video. Did you find it? If you did, please write your answer in the comments section. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. On this channel, I share stories in slow and easy English with small but useful tips to help you learn. I will keep uploading videos like this, so if you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel. And please don't forget to like the video and leave a comment. I also offer channel memberships. If you enjoyed this video, please consider joining as a member. All right, that's all for today. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye!